Own a home? Should you stay or should you sell? I've got the answer for you. It's coming up. My name is Keith Connors. I'm a realtor broker here in Clearwater, Florida. Please hit the button and subscribe to this channel so you can get to know the market on the Florida Suncoast. Remember, when you know the market, getting your best deal can be really easy. Makes it kind of fun too. Now, back to our question. If you own a home, should you stay or should you sell? The answer, of course, is totally up to you. And it depends on a whole lot of different things. But here's one market stat that may make your decision a little easier. This graph shows the number of houses coming to the market is growing. And they're up pretty significantly from this time last year. Yeah, so you've got more options right now than you would have last year, and that's great. But there's a flip side to that. Each house that comes onto the market in our area could pull buyer attention away from your house. To get the best of both worlds, you need a pro who knows exactly what's happening with inventory in our area and surrounding areas, and what the latest listings are, and how we can make your house stand out from all the rest. I've done it many times. When you're ready to get the ball rolling, let's chat. If this is your first time to the channel, please subscribe below, tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market. Yeah, remember to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the like button too. You'll get to know the market. It's fast, it's free, and it's easy. It'll always help you get your best deal. Remember, you can see your home's estimated value anytime at whatismyhomereallyworth.com.